Come back to Barnabas G's. My people, Ijele don't come outside, come tell the general public, say he don't go back to Imo State to fight the Biafra Liberation Army. He say where they dey, may they come outside, saying they ready to face them. This one they happen for inside Imo State as I dey talk right now. They say that the Israel Parliament don't finally call out one hardcore Biafra, say may come up, come talk about Biafra issue. Say they are very, very much interested in restoration of Biafra. This one they happen right now. They are no longer online country. They are now existing. My people, they say that Sunday Igboho don't finally join APC and abandon Oduduwa Republic. Watch the videos where we'll come back and continue.
My people, I greet you now. It's I'm just back. I'm back, please help me tag the Umu Koko that said they are looking for their father. Please, wherever you are, whatever community you are from, and you know where these bingos are, your only job is to reach out to me with the right information. Right now, it's obvious many of these criminals are no longer in their camps. They are all hiding in people's communities, trying to mix themselves up with the general population. Please, your only duty now is to pass their information to me and leave the rest. Chimeze, I see you. Funday, we captured Ijele and we ambushed Ijele. Please, now will be the right time to ambush me again. No, please. Please, I'm begging you people. Now will be the time to come out. Stop running. Please, I'm begging you people to stop running. Oh, we captured Ijele. Nekunu delegate, second missionary journey. Nekunu second missionary journey. So me, I do it like this. So I will not tell you whether it's the turn of Umuna or Kigwe. Now, when I see the operation, now I go know where they go. Okay. First off, I want to say a huge thank you to the Anambra Onitsha 302 of the Nigerian Army. The testimony has been flooding in. Let me say testimonies because so many people are really giving me information about the casualty on the side of Imbe Republic of Biafra. You say they capture my brother, not be me they here they talk to you. How did they capture their father? Nobody captured their father. You understand? So I'm here right now. I don't even want to hear, oh, he did not tell us or give us location because this one, I mean, they find on a comp. Choma release, you know now. This one, I mean, they find them come. Okay? Somebody said this would have ended long ago if these steps were taken earlier. But all the best. Yeah. What are we going to do? What to do according to Ethiopian guests? As you know, the problem is that the federal government kind of lets the Southeast political leaders handle the problem. Unbeknownst to them, they were trying to wait for the arsonists to put out the fire they set off. So someone cannot say, you see this operation, if it was the same lineup of governors we had in the past, believe me, nothing will fundamentally change. One, there was no time Obiano would have risen against these people. Impossible. Obiano wouldn't have done what Soludo is doing now. Okay? That's the difference. And that time it was only Hope Uzodinma that was doing the fighting. And one person can be toiling and solving an issue that is troubling a whole region when the other states are just sitting down on their hands. So that's the problem. That's why it was so difficult. But right now, Soludo is doing his very best, just like Hope is dealing with them with a rekindled approach. Now, imagine if Abia people, because many of them will eventually run to Abia State, the way the fire is burning. And please, those of you from Osumo, who was the situation report regarding Kalistu Sochaya? What's the situation regarding Kalistu Sochaya? That's what I want to know. Wait on, most. That's what I want to know. We really need to make sure we fish out each and every one of them. All right? We really need to fish out each and every single one of them. We do know that they have a tunnel that they dug from Mother Valley to Osumogo and Akwihed. Please, those loopholes should. Chibiko Keke, I think you texted me yesterday and you did not inbox me your number. You did not inbox me your number. Just inbox me your number. I'm doing me so many messages. And such information, we shouldn't be making it public because it should be a top secret. Just send me your number via inbox so we can speak very well. We are not going to spare any single one of them. Any single one of them. Not one of them will go scot-free. All the people responsible for this carnage will make sure they all pay for their atrocities, because it's not necessarily about those people that have committed evil. No, it's those that are still planning new ones to commit. Okay? It's those that are planning more. If we had dealt with these people the way we should have dealt with them in 2020, and you know, the propaganda against the military and the police kind of contributed to it, because far from what they are telling you about the federal government is always mindful of what people say, and that's why they will keep pushing out criminals like Nonso Nkwa. This is a fool that was rusticated from seminary school. Okay? No, I think I responded to you, Chibike, didn't I? Please send me your phone number. I will call you on WhatsApp. Okay? Send me your number. Let me block one also. Send me your number. If we had done what we should have done in the past, like the people, if the people had turned on them when they should have, we wouldn't be there. Okay? Why you go overdose? Don't mind them. People also conversing for some secret donations. They are mad. They are mad. Very, very useless set of people. So my people, please hit the like button and share the video. They are attacking this broadcast now. Hit the like button and share the video, please. Joseph Tochku, day game. So my people, if we are going to deal with these people, we have to do it mercilessly. We have to do it mercilessly. I heard that the one that calls himself Ochiaya that even the new house, they said, according to the report, that Alan Onyema was bidding for him, was also leveled. We are going to finish them. Okay? Somebody say, come live on TikTok, make we gift you. Oga, turn that TikTok gift to direct money, send them to me. Send them to my UBA. All these TikTok, you give somebody 10 naira, they collect 5 naira. Which kind of business be that one? Yeah? Which kind of business be that one? Don't mind those people. One also I just blocked now, say 1 month in the southeast, you have not seen them. Okay, where is your gentle? Your gentle cannot come outside. Okay? Your gentle cannot come outside, like they no born in useless mama wear. They no born and wear. You people are so cowardly, fools. No be Mother Valley be where them carry am. Eh? No be for Mother Valley be their headquarters. And I dey Mother Valley, you no even say make him come Mother Valley, come help Butus and Co. What does that tell you? Idiot that couldn't. Who they send this number? Please, don't put your phone number here. Eh? Tell me. Why can't, let me block this fool? Insecurity idiot. Why can't your gentle come outside? Let him even come out in the surface. Yapita go da apita. Drogba, stop posting your number here, please. Yapita na apita. Let him come outside. Why is he running? Eh? Alfred, no be me day here. Let them come. Come and catch me. I want to be caught. Please, Umubingo, choose your camp you want me to come to. Choose the camp. When I don't run. Eh? Choose the camp where I want make I come. Me, I know they all this on a talk matter. Okay? Let them show me where to come. Tell me. Tell me. Umokoko. Umwewu. I just really want to know where, like, how on I want to do no be this one now run. Oh, yeah, you can't gentle. Your gentle that is hiding in the bush. Eh? Your gentle that is hiding in the bush. Shame no day on her head though. Eh? Shame no day on her face. Like when I don't even know what be shame. Shame no day on additional. Now no get shame. Can't tell that what do I do to you? See me, see you. See me, see you. Putano no, you will not. Just looking for old women, market women. Eh? Now useless mama just born on a born fool we no get brain. A bunch of useless people. So now this hand on I want take fight Nigeria. We be so let me they pursue and I enter house. Only me they pursue and I enter bush. Nigeria never even get on that time. Eh? Nigeria never even get on that time. Not just one person now they give on a headache like this. Hey, my people, are not supposed to worry when they say they inquire their useless mama. They even talk about Buhari, who be me. Yeah? A whole commander-in-chief. They even like say you don't buy. So my own no be issue. It's because they know they are following, the people following them are as useless as they are. Okay? Say, can you people come to Ijele her camp and don't worry? I say, not turn by turn. Not turn by turn. Okay? Not turn by turn, small. Shebi Anambra people don't they collect their own. Don't be in a haste. Take them easy. Okay? Take them easy. Like you yourself know that they cannot even come. Like they no born the fools. Their useless mama never fuck finish self to carry their belly. Like I said, there is nothing special about these people. There is nothing special about them. They are just enjoying the blind support of the people. Simple. Just point us to the direction where they are hiding amongst you people. Finish. And let us do the rest of the job. These are a bunch of useless cowards. Their cry no pass, oh, your people, how do you have it? Meanwhile, they are the ones buying their own people. Shebi, I tell Ona, say, when he go set, Ona go no. Those of you from Anambra, no be Ona way do, but they confirm am now. Agwa munu no nanti na agwa. Makofuru na anya amanna. How will they be now? Egondo Kore, the Alifani Kemezi, Amadiko back. Abdul Jalal Zaid. Celestine Okonkwo, nobody will know who pass. Did they hear me? Nobody will know who pass. Okay? They said they called a guy named Chaco and buy him in Omaka. The thief called Specky, shot him then. Yeah. Omaka people. Umwaka people. I don't know when you guys would decide if you want to save your place. All right. I don't know if you people are serious, because destroying these people is so easy. Getting rid of them is not rocket science. One, these are not smart people. And I'm thankful that the eyes of most of our people have opened, and they are now seeing them for what they are, which is a bunch of murderous bastards. So we need to make sure we solve this matter once and for all. And it's only going to be solved when we reject this their Biafra fraud in total. Okay? Ega haju ekwensu kajidekwa ọrụ ya niile. Ị ga-ajụ ekwensu jụọ ọrụ ya niile na mpako ya niile na ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nke na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. That means ị ga-ajụ ya completely. Jụ ya ka ndị Anglican. Jụ ya ka esi ajụ ya na ekpere na abụ ndị Anglican. Usoro ekpere. Okay? So all these you people say benebe will not stop us from moving forward with all our plans. And number one is to make sure we eliminate every single criminal calling himself ESN. Okay? No, Biafra is your own DNA. We are Igbo, and Igbo is in our DNA. Wherever your Biafra is located, you are going to go there. Are you understanding me? You can't be doing that rubbish in an Igbo. Okay? Yeah. Just Call yourself Biafra. Don't call a full only body can Biafra. I'm not with you. Okay? We are not Monsa. I agree with you. We are not with you people on this your rubbish. All right? None of our nonsense concern us. So carry your rubbish to wherever you people brought it from. Imagine the whole of Osu. Imagine what Osu would have been now. How many people, sometimes I just sit down and ask myself, what could have been had we told the right path? By now, we should be leading as the industrial hub of Nigeria, as the technological hub of Nigeria, because whatever it is you need, you have it in the southeast. Okay? We have it in, imagine if we harness the energy, the talent of all our people. One, you see, in terms of military intelligence, nobody would have come near us. Yes. Nobody would have come near us. The Nigerian military, normally we don't have the large number of fighters. But in modern warfare, there are many things we can contribute to the Nigerian military. Before you know what's happening, you go to the defense intelligence, it will be filled with Indigo. You go to the DSS intelligence unit, it will be filled with Indigo. Police, the same thing. Then we'll build a hub that will collect the data of every single Nigerian. We'll build a data center in this Igbo. Nobody, the people who would have even come close to challenging us in that aspect are Yoruba people, but most of their people are in London, they are in UK. Their IT specialists are mostly in the UK and the USA. Then we should be able to control this one back home. Let's assume it's true that Hausa and Fulanis are planning any evil against you, which they are not. Don't you think fixing yourself into certain departments will give you an insight into whatever anybody is planning? Let's assume they are actually planning evil against us, that you actually believe it. Why don't you put your people under the intelligence department of every military and armed organization? Ask yourself. I myself, personally, I have written so many briefs. Now, let me start counting for you. You see the deal signed between the Nigerian Navy and the Turkish Navy, especially the ones that had, let me block this food, the copying of technology to our Navy. Now, me right now. Now, imagine if we have a situation whereby what they are preaching is what they are doing. Shouldn't it be an Igbo military officer that will be giving that thing to President Buhari? Do you think if it had come from an Igbo military officer that person wouldn't be elevated to a certain position? No, ask yourself. I am telling you, Nami right time. Not just only that one, even the modern drone program. Any drone program written from 2021, the best one you will see, Nami right time. Now imagine if I was running it through maybe an Igbo admiral or rear admiral or major general, lieutenant general, or even brigadier general. What do you think the position of such a person would be? What do you think it will be? By now, your own people will be there. But because most of the people from the southeast you have there don't have the star seed, yes, it's not what you give, Moses. It's not what you give to just anyhow person. Yes, it's not what you give to anyhow person. The police, Oga Yakubu, Oga Yaks, no be the DSS own, the police own. The police own. I gave him one thing about a drone technology on police and how to do it. Even till date, all these drone attacks our military people have been facing, I told them about it long ago. Even the underwater suicide drone, I wrote about it while in prison self. Go ask Oga Bello where the hemodialysis center for Victoria Island, that naval dockyard. If I give you name. I give you name. I give you names of the people to show you that I know exactly what I'm talking about. Now imagine if we had people that see the future, visionary people in so many positions. If they had been the ones taking, if right now I can sit down and write many things. Until date, the suicide drone, they will, as the days go by, they will continue to see its importance. For instance, all these fools that we saw carrying their pipe on the head, all these Umokoko, Eastern Sprinters Network, all these woman, the day we saw them moving in the bush, immediately that camera saw them. If we had a suicide drone, it just flies straight in their midst. Now, what's the cost of a suicide drone? A Shahid is how much? You can destroy one of these their Hilux trucks with a Shahid and you will still be at gain, not a loss. How much is one missile? Then how much is one suicide drone? One suicide drone will work as your eyes. It's the best for targeting because you don't have to target and send coordinates to the strike team. No, the one flying that suicide drone will still be the one to fire it. Yes. How many of them have written this thing and given to the defense minister? No. You know they, unless now this one what I talk about now where they go. The person asking me evidence, go ask anybody you know in the military. Okay? Go ask anybody you know in the army. Let them tell you the year the contact for that technology transfer with the Turkish government, Turkish Navy, was signed. And I'm telling you, I wrote it in 2021. Okay? I wrote it in 2021. Have you gotten this information I just told you anywhere else? So what else do you want to hear? Even the one I just said now. Do you know any single document that has it? So it's not until you start shouting. All the nonsense they are telling you about it's a lie. It's for their own sustenance. It's for their own sustenance. And what they are doing is just to use your tribe to get ahead. Check all the people telling you they are marginalizing the Igbo. They are all politicians that are doing well. Why are their families doing well? Eh? Why are their families doing well? Ask yourself. The same Nigeria they told you is not working, but all of their families are doing well. Tell me. All of their families are doing well. This one say, IPU will be your papa and they. I don't carry on Oga put them inside now. 10th of June 2021, and me first make video tell and I say this Southern Cameroon. How many days now they catch up? I be make I play the call where on our leaders, on our national coordinator for Nigeria, where they beg me, make I leave on Oga for neck. Eh? Tell me. So my people, please help me inform them that I'm back in Imo State. I talk about my new story. No be when I go back to Abuja now and I go begin make noise. Oh, we are looking for him. We captured him. We ambushed him. Now capture on our father. We captured him. We ambushed him. What will you do to me? See me. See me. Who they call me for this group call? So my people said I have to run and waiting.
תודה רבה. לפני שנתקדם, אני רוצה להגיד שיש פה נציג של... סליחה. ביאפרה, ויקטור מובילו, נמצא פה ביציאה. מסתפק בתשובת השר. תודה רבה. לא מצביעים. נכון רגע? בסדר, ממש. תודה רבה. ההצעה הבאה היא הצעה דחופה לסדר-היום בנושא הסדרת הסכם פיצוי לענפים החקלאיים הנפגעים במסגרת הסכם מסחר עם.
To be honest with you, I was kind of heartbroken when I see this particular video. To tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is indeed a great man. A man who refused to take money and sell his own people. A man they have tried in so many ways, but he never failed us. Look at Sunday Igboho. He's now an era boy in APC. Guys, share this video, drop your own opinion in comment section. People, don't forget to see there for Balabas G's. As you watch, make sure you share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.